I had to live underground, what would I take? Obviously my family.
Yeah, okay.
My family's really important to me. I value them greatly. I don't know what I would do without them. I don't know, just not really much.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
What would I take with me if I lived underground? I'd probably say my girlfriend for sure. Yeah. Yeah, I guess it's.
Fair enough, man.
Yeah.
Any object?
Object. Probably my PS5 and a TV.
Who would I take? What would I take and why? Who would take my family? Because I love them. Food and alcohol.
That's been the best answer so far. Thanks a lot, man.
So if I had to live underground, I would probably take a shovel and a torch, some type of light device, whether it's a flashlight or maybe a box of matches or some type of more archaic thing like some flint, maybe some cotton twine, maybe some fat for burning or oil or fuel, and then maybe a good book. And I feel like a shovel could help go a long way, maybe for a seat or to cart out dirt and rocks. That's as far as I got with that thought.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Yeah, you're very welcome.
Now,
if I had to live underground, I would take distilled water, vegetables, and canned food.
there you go. Perfect.
Yeah.
Thanks.
If I lived underground,
Yeah.
what would I take? I would definitely take a board game. If I was living underground, who I would take? My girlfriend for sure, because she's super fun to hang out with. I would definitely take a board game. It's called Pass the Pigs. It's a board game where you just roll pigs and it's just like you kind of collect points kind of thing. Definitely take my girlfriend. Why? Because I love my girlfriend and she's super fun to hang out with. And literally every night when I come home from work, all I do is play board games with my girlfriend. So it wouldn't be much of a transition. It'd be the exact same thing I do every night. So it would be kind of chill.
Perfect. Perfect. I did pour David when his girlfriend was here. He didn't say her. So she's like, what's with you, David?
I was gonna say you gotta bring the wife. That way you have somebody to cook and clean. That's what I take. I take the wife.
Okay.
Yeah.
Anything else?
A dog.
Okay.